and he had his sled dogs, like chained up or tethered in some way, shape, or form. And he looks up and sees a polar bear walking up, and this polar bear looks like it's a pretty skinny polar bear. I mean, like, this doesn't look like this thing is eaten in a while, and he's too far away to get to the dog, and she's like, oh my gosh, this is not going to end well. And what happens in the story is the dog, it does this thing, it bows its head. And apparently in the animal kingdom, this is a very universal sign, at least with mammals, a universal sign of like an invitation to play in some way, shape, or form. Again, I'm not an animal scientist. This is just what I've read. But the bear reciprocates and they start playing.